Prime Minister Narendra Modi is in Canada. He has landed in Calgary to attend the G7 summit following an invitation from the Canadian Prime Minister Mark Carney. As you can see, this is his first visit since relations between New Delhi and Ottawa strained over the killing of Khalistani separatist Hardeep Singh Nijjar. In fact, this is Prime Minister Modi's first visit since the year 2015. He has now touched down in Calgary, as you can see through the latest visuals we're bringing you. For Prime Minister Modi, as many geopolitical experts and analysts have highlighted, this is also an opportunity to assess firsthand the new dynamics within the West. The Israel-Iran conflict is playing out as this G7 summit takes place in Canada, and once a symbol of strategic unity among the world's leading democracies, the G7, many now argue, reflects deep internal contradictions across trade, across tech, climate, and regional security in Europe, the Middle East, as well as the Indo-Pacific. Though India is not a member, our regular presence at the summit affords Delhi a critical platform to advance our national interests, also elevate our diplomatic profile, and contribute to shaping a new multipolar order. And as I mentioned, for our Prime Minister, this, many say, is an opportunity to assess firsthand the new dynamics within the West and also make the best of them to provide India's security and prosperity. As you can see, Prime Minister Modi has now touched down in Calgary. He is meeting with certain Canadian officials who've come to welcome him warmly, as you can see. The Prime Minister is expected to attend the G7 summit following the invitation from the Canadian Prime Minister, Mark Carney. This is Prime Minister Modi's first visit to Canada since relations between New Delhi and Ottawa strained over the killing of Khalistani separatist Hardeep Singh Nijjar. There are lots of questions at this stage on how India is going to navigate a G7 that seems deeply divided within, whether it's about trade, whether it's about matters of conflict and war, or whether it's about the US president and his knee-jerk policies. Mark Carney has invited Prime Minister Narendra Modi to reset ties post-Trudeau, but the question remains, how much political capital can Canada really offer as far as the current G7 chaos is concerned? There's also no joint communique this time. In fact, reports state that Trump has refused to sign the draft agreement as well, and he has cut short his visit. The US president heading back to Washington earlier than expected, but our Prime Minister has finally touched down in Canada to attend the G7 summit. His touchdown will be for 23 hours before he heads to Croatia. So it started with Cyprus, now it's Canada, and after this, our Prime Minister will also be heading to Croatia. As far as his historic Canada visit is concerned, the spotlight is on India's global power play as the Prime Minister attends the G7 outreach session. Meanwhile, key bilaterals are also lined up for today as India and Canada look to reset ties. So from crisis mode, as you can see, we are moving towards cooperation with key bilaterals lined up, even with the host himself, Canadian Prime Minister Mark Carney, as the Prime Minister touches down in Canada after the year 2015. Latest visuals coming in from Canada's Calgary as Prime Minister Narendra Modi touches down to highlight India's global power play. This is his first foreign trip after Operation Sindoor. It started with Cyprus. Now he's in Canada for 23 hours, after which he heads to Croatia.